A quick heads up for Monday, April 27th. Chance of some strong to severe storms coming into central Indiana. I'm meteorologist Lindsay Monroe. Want to get you updated here on what we are tracking for Monday. Now, this is the latest from the Storm Prediction Center. We are watching the western tier of the state. That's going to be a level 3 of 5. The yellow represents a level 2 of 5, and that's going to be primarily for damaging wind gusts along a line of storms that moves from west to east. Now, given the timing of this later in the evening, we do see the risk of damaging wind gusts dissipating as it moves from west to east across Indiana. That's why the highest chance of severe weather is going to be across the western tier of the state. Now, here's the latest timeline. We're going to get a few rounds of storms on Monday. First, along a warm front that lifts through. This will potentially bring some non-severe storms for the most part. Lightning, thunder, brief heavy rain, also some gusty winds, primarily after 1 o'clock in the afternoon. That, again, as a warm front lifts through. As we get after 6 o'clock in the evening, we'll be watching back to our west as a cold front will then start to produce these individual storm cells over in Illinois. Those will likely bring the highest chance of those rotating storms, potentially some tornado warnings. Now, what happens is as this line continues to press east, those individual storm cells merge into one longer line of storms. At that point, the main threat becomes damaging wind gusts. This is 11 o'clock in the evening, so we're talking late Monday that will track across the Indianapolis metro, continuing to weaken with that severe threat coming to an end by about 2 o'clock in the morning, early Tuesday.